How to upload high-quality videos. If you want to know more about this vlog, then just keep on watching. Welcome to Hairstyle Tutorials Music and Vlogs. Only here in JhaJha and Mom's Vlog, created by Rona. First, open your YouTube application, and tap up the profile icon on the top upper right. Next, choose the settings, and click General. Now, in this section which is video quality on mobile networks, and video quality on Wi-Fi, must be set to higher picture quality. And after setting this up, expect a higher quality of videos in every upload. So if you find this video helpful, then give me one like, comment down for your suggestions, and please consider of subscribing by hitting the bell all button, for you to get updated on my next videos. See you in my next vlog. Shout out to the following commentators. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.